see the frog?
วันนี้มา Animal Kingdom กันนะคะ ก็ยังคงอยู่ในธีมดิสนีย์เหมือนเดิม มันจะมีร้านอาหารหรือว่าเป็นคาเฟ่ที่แบบเจ๋งๆด้วยนะ แต่ว่าไม่รู้ว่าเขาเปิดหรือเปล่า เหมือนเช็คดูแล้วเหมือนเขาไม่มีtime available อ่ะ เหมือนไม่ว่างอ่ะนั่นไง ชื่อ Rainforest Cafe เนาะต้องไปดูไปตามกันไปเลยไปตามแม่พ่อแล้วก็กันพาไปเลยสั่งปลาบรรยากาศก็สวยเลยอะ Look at the top
Water right stuck. Raft one? Yeah, raft one. They were headed.
ไปจ้าไป It's like you are in some country เรากำลังจะไปซาฟารีกันซาฟารีเวิลด์ก็คือจะอยู่ที่แอฟริกานะคะ
It's priority over everything else.
I could not take money away.
Picture.
That these here? Yeah, those ones right there. Look at them. Top one another and hit training. Like that down in there and pull the units out.
Back on this other morning, as we say here at Harambe 20, which means what?
Hey, Bim, look above you.
Now, the okapi is the only living relative of the giraffe. Now, you actually kind of see the resemblance in the shape of the head. It has a very similar feeding behavior to how giraffes will feed as well. The okapi, just like the giraffe, has a very, very long purple and blue tongue, and that tongue actually wraps around the leaves of trees and bushes in order to pull them off and eat them. The one black rhino able to get up to 3,000 pounds in weight, which actually is very impressive, but it does make it the smaller of the two species of rhinoceros in Africa.
Ooh, look at that.
See another one here to the left, a little bit closer now across the water. The black rhino itself is not actually black. It simply finds very, very dark, rich mud in the forest to roll around in order to cool itself off and protect its skin from certain bugs or parasites that might get on it. All along the right here, we can see these orange and brown animals. These are known as bongos. Bongos like to live in very dense, very deep parts of the forest. They have a reputation for being easily seen. We'll also see the three greater kudus here to the right.
Oh no, they are greater kudus, I'm sorry.
Females not having any horns. It will be only the males of their species that will have a set of horns. Will have yellow eyes, and you'll often find them as a mated pair. Now, true to their name, the pink-backed pelicans do get a slight pink coloration to their backside. They'll get that during the breeding season. And like all pelican species, they have the large
Why the
pouch
water
on
is
their
like
bills,
green?
which is filled with blood. Now these are Nile crocodiles. The large get all the way up to 16 feet in length, and they can weigh up to 500 pounds. Most of that's thanks to giraffes. I see one off to the right, off in the distance there. Now, as giraffes are moving about, they will prune from the under mottled coloration. Actually, every single individual member of the pack will have its own unique pattern of color, aiding the pattern of them. With those beautiful curving back horns. Now, those horns actually work as a nice defense that are kind of broken off from the rest of the group come down the hill to enjoy. Wildebeest are very well known for their migrations. Now, they in fact have the second largest migration of any animal on land, which is very impressive because that means their migrations are second in fact. So I have the jagged outlines, a little bit of wider spacing. The spots themselves kind of resemble ink blots. And that is for the Maasai giraffe. You know, it's spots. Those other kind of the zebras in the world. It's also going to be the only one that has an extra flap of skin that hangs. So those huge horns of theirs allow for blood to flow through, which kind of radiates out some excess body heat, bringing their temperatures down, helping them survive out here when it gets really, really hot. We also see some very small springbok on the hill here with the Hartmann's Mountain zebras. Now, springbok are in fact the national animal of South Africa. And true to their name, springbok, which basically means over to the left here, as I said, you actually see some giraffes lying down. Looks like that's the rest of the tower over to the left. That's what we call a group of giraffes, a tower. Some ranger there in the world. Remember, monkeys have tails, apes do not have tails. Now the mandrills will have bright leaves. Now they can either leave on their own, or if they stay too long, the females may actually drive them out. So either way the males leave, you can expect to see the elephants doing pretty regularly today because it is pretty hot and sunny. There's one thing, they'll be flapping their ears, actually bringing their body temperature down. These are greater flamingos. They are the lightest pink of all of Africa. They can get all the way up to 5,000 pounds.
Oh, look at the tiny
off to the left there, sticking by the mother. Baby's about still less than a year old, weighing a little bit over 600 pounds. Easy to differentiate from the females, having that beautiful mane of fur, doing what is very natural for them during the day. They will sleep, they will rest. For example, baby wardens are more than happy to give some of their land over to helping the villagers out. Now, the small size of the goat meat that they take up land, that helps the villagers because they can drink, get some of their nutrition. They can also have an extra source of income by selling them about these amazing animals and driving these really cool trucks. Now, if you go farther to help out many of the African animal species you see today, many of which are
they're herbivores.
A good picture.
Here, Blake. Sit over here.
ไปเอเชียกันค่ะ เข้ามาสู่ดินแดนเอเชีย มาโซน Discovery Island
That's that real slow one.
สวยมาก
That's a mouthful.
Yeah